All right, boys, this is a tour of my warehouse. I have to be a little bit careful with what I show you, purely because there is literally products everywhere, and there's a lot of people that will just try to steal my products, try to fuck with me. So I've got to be a little bit careful. That's why I can't show you everything, right? But I'll give you a little quick tour, right? So this is obviously the door. It's super exciting, I know. I'll show you the toilet where the main business happens. All right, boys, this is a really luxurious toilet. You got a lovely big window right there. Got the soap bin, little bleach corner, bunch of boring fucking shit. This is what you get in a warehouse. This is what excites me in a warehouse, to see a nice new mop in here and the shitty old one not being used. So right here, we've got a little fire extinguisher area. You know, this is where the fire extinguisher is supposed to go, but we don't fuck that shit. Over here, we've got a bunch of different boxes about different things. We've got some bags for the postage stuff here as well. And then it kind of comes over to here. So this is actually some boxes for one of my brands called My Licorice. So there's a bunch of custom printed boxes all the way up to the top. So here we've got a little sink area. I have to be super careful what I'm showing you, by the way. Like, I know the angles are super fucked. But this is a little sink area. And then over here, we've got like a bunch of little kind of like a fridge and shit like this for, you know, the employees to eat and stuff. So here is one of the first work desks. So this is a work desk. We've got the little tape thing in here. It doesn't have any tape on it right now. But this is like some licorice stock right here that's just been sat here because we're just checking in the stock. And this is just some random stuff. I mean, you can see here, like, here are some of the sweets. So unfortunately, I can't show you literally, like, there's so many shelves in here. And there's so many different things that I can't show you in this fucking warehouse. Because obviously, like, a lot of the stuff is sensitive, as I mentioned right at the beginning of the video. But I'll show you a little bit more. So right here is one little thing that I can show you. I've got to go around the things I can't show you. But like, this is like the licorice section. So there's a lot of other stuff as well, but I can't show you that stuff. So like, this is all the licorice section. So as you can see here, like raspberry skulls. So this is one of the things we sell on the Shopify sites. And like, here's the boxes. Here's the bags that they're in right now. And they just need to be like changed and stuff like this. So here's like sweet and fruity mix. It's a bit messy, but it's a system that works, right? And this system that works, you just fuck changing it, right? So right here, we actually have a bunch more licorice stock, as you can see. So these are the items we don't sell much of. So like, you see this thing right here? This is like salty licorice. Like that stuff that's covered in it is literally salt. So all the stuff we don't sell much of, we put on different shelves. So in front of me here, we've got a bunch of different licorice stock. And we actually have like a bunch of different utensils over here as well that we use for like the licorice stuff. So I'm quickly going to show you what the employees actually wear when they're packaging the licorice side of things. So obviously the other side of things doesn't really fucking matter what they wear, but I'm just going to show you right now. So this is what they actually wear when they're packaging the licorice. They wear a little apron, wear some little gloves, and obviously he's got a beard, so he wears that, you know. Don't worry about the hairnet over there. Don't worry about that. Yeah, to be honest, there's really not much I can actually show you in this warehouse. Like, it's kind of annoying, but I think you guys understand why I can't show you that much. One thing I can show is some little gifts that one of my employees actually left me for like Christmas. Like fucking 6 months ago, she left some little gifts, and no one else stole them, which I suppose is good. So the employee that actually left this for me is like I think it's Hungarian. I assume this is Hungarian. Yeah, product of Hungary. So she left me some like little Hungarian booze and stuff like this. So this is going to do me very well for the drive home. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of it. Like all the desks, we have 2 desks in here for like the paperwork side of things as well. I can't even show you that sort of stuff because there's private information, like customers' details, like all over the shit. So little warehouse tour. Maybe some of you guys found it entertaining. Some of you guys found it interesting, but that's the warehouse. It's changed drastically since I last came in here 6 months ago. Like the whole layout is completely different now, much more optimized, much better. And one of the biggest reasons why we changed the actual whole entire warehouse is because we're switching our model. I've discussed this a couple of times, but we're switching the model. We're doing much more smaller amount of SKUs. I don't want to get too complicated, but basically we're opening up the warehouse to members of Etsy Kings. So this is a big improvement we're making, and that's going to push everyone forward, especially during Q4. So little warehouse tour. There you go, boys. One thing I did actually find in the warehouse is this little watch thing. Like, which ones do you prefer? One thing I did find in the warehouse is a dropshipping product that I used to run. It's some little like Ferrari wheel watch. Like, which one? That's such a dick move. Which one do you prefer, guys? But like, this is actually fucking cool. I'm gonna wear this shit, bro. I wanna rock this shit. For real. What the fuck? This shit's fucking awesome. So yeah, boys, that's it for the warehouse tour. I mean, maybe some of you guys found this interesting. Maybe some of you guys fucking don't give a shit. But yeah.